everybody. Welcome back. It's the ladder. I know where we are now, Charlie.
Okay.
Could you imagine if they made it a saw blade instead of a throwing star?
Saw blade, like Whitechapel?
No, like a saw blade, like a circular saw blade.
That would be just too easy. This game's so fucking easy, dude. Fuck this fucking game. Alright. Alright, I wanna get there. So I don't wanna fucking fling. I just want a little nip.
Too much.
That's bullshit. I can make it again.
I can do it. I can pass the test, Mrs. Puff.
Yeah.
What if the axe, the double-sided axe, is like OP and it can go into stone too?
That would be where it's at. That's where the money is in the double-sided axe. That's where the money is, baby.
So just go straight up, like,
Good.
and see if there's like an aerial move you can do.
Yeah, because remember we're trying to get up on top of that big.
I bet you could do it from there if you just go straight up. Like right there.
Let's go a little forward.
Oh, wow. Well, we could.
Actually, we could, yeah.
Nice stuff. Now, where do we go from here?
I could get it like.
Yeah, you think you can? You think you're pro enough? Yeah, that's the thing. You never know how much juice to give it.
Yep. Okay, that spot sucks. I don't like that.
Alright. Even, how the fuck would you do this with the axe?
I don't fucking know. You have to really get your try-hard pants on. I'm about 5 seconds away from putting this fucking game in a triangle choke. I'm just feeling the life drain from it as I look in its eyes and watch him slowly go pale. I might be able to hit that fucking barrel up there.
I'm just letting you rant at this point.
I don't know if I can hit the barrel. Fuck. I know the way. Damn it.
Yeah.
It's not that spot.
That's not the best spot, considering that, but wow! Nice ricochet!
I know what I'm doing.
You shouldn't have said that. Go down from there. Look at the barrel. Oh. That's not the worst thing that could have happened. Roll. No, stop rolling! Oh! See, that's the only time the axe would come in handy. You know? Because it would stop rolling. But then again, it might slide.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I bet it fucking slides like
Oh! CXE.
this fucking game is so easy.
See? Oh.
I don't even. I purposefully not try. Just because how easy this game is.
Oh. Oh. See, like, you got so used to the axis physics, and now you have to get used to the ninja stars, you know?
Yeah.
Which is so much lighter.
I know, bud. Why would you even use the bow? God.
Maybe there's an
That's all I can
achievement
think-
for it.
That's all I can think about.
Although this is an itch game, so I don't think there's achievements.
Scratchy.
Itch.io.
Itchy. Squatchy.
Do you want to do a scientific study, or do you want to actually try?
What's your scientific stuff?
Like, just shoot it as far to the top right corner as possible and hope you stick, or at least you can
Alright,
see
yeah.
the map,
Why
you
not?
know?
Swatcha.
Yay, science!
Alright, this is where it's gonna get fun.
It touched, man, it touched.
I don't know how I could have done that with the axe, though. If you can't do it with a fucking... What is that?
Ninja Star Shuriken?
5-sided ninja star? I had to count. Brick. Fucking brick. Oh, man. I should play for the fucking Cavs or something. I fucking suck. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
try. I messed you up. Oh, my jaw's starting to hurt from smiling so much. Oh.
God, I hit the same fucking spot every goddamn fucking time. This game's a fucking
Oh my god.
fuck this fucking game. Jesus Christ.
Are you to white hot rage levels yet or no?
I'm just in Dwight. Disappointed. Daniel, we're on triple D here. Daniel's damn disappointed.
Oh.
What are diners, drive-ins, and dives? Okay. So now we gotta figure out the fuck we're gonna do there. Because I think no matter what I do, I'm just gonna go doink.
This one's for all the beans.
I just completely missed that time. That was all me. I'm gonna have to take full responsibility for that loss.
You're gonna have to apologize to all your fans. Oh no!
Why?
Part of me wanted to go back to bottom so we could just quit this game. Well, that's a lock. I didn't even know what the fuck. Oh no! Where is this even?
I don't know. I'm just starting to fucking just launch it. Hope I hit stuff now. We're about 10 minutes out from stoppage time. I am Croatia, and I'm getting destroyed by France. I fucking just went this. Oh my god.
You can hit that barrel.
I can hit that all damn day. That's not even hard. This game's so easy when it just comes to like hitting the shit down here. Dude, what fucking ever? Why did that happen when I hit that stupid fucking barrel, dude? This is so dumb. Fuck this fucking game. What is that, dude? Oh my god.
Oh. Woo. Oh.
Why did he just potato that? Any other time he fucking lobs it like 900 fucking feet. Dude, I'm so annoying.
You can quit anytime.
I guess you gotta play content.
What? I'm crying. Oh.
You need to get Rainbow Six is what you need.
Why does that make you furious?
That game actually. I've thrown shit over that game. It's what, $30 an hour?
Oh.
It's cost money. It's an FPS.
No. One more again, or are you done?
We'll give it one more send, one full send.
All right.
If I get to the fucking checkpoint is the fucking ladder. If I get there and fail, it's over. We're gonna have to call it.
Okay, we're gonna lock it down here. Subscribe to Come Key today and unlock future content. Thank you for being with us. We're gonna do one more again, and yeah, share this with your friends. Make me YouTube famous, so I can afford the therapy White's gonna need after this game. Oh, bye, guys. I really thought you could do it, to be honest. Like with the Ninja Star for sure. I thought there was a hope, you know, but
that must be concrete. Well, yeah, I mean there definitely is like a good chance of doing it with the fucking Ninja Star. What I just don't understand is why it just randomly bounces off shit.
yeah.
Like even if it was to hit in here, there's no reason why it should bounce off things.
At least the axe was consistent.
Yeah. At least the axe was consistent.